Hey, 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 check it out, guys. Enduro engineering. Motorcycle seat to replace my OEM seat. And as you can see, I did have a rip. But the main reason that I wanted to get a new seat was because I wanted a seat with more grip. You can see I'm using like stomp grip here from street bike racing to try to hang onto the bike better with my knees. So anyways, guys, I am Marcel Irnie. This is Irnieracing Moto sport stuff, and I'm at Valley Motorsport just back there behind this beautiful blue Lamborghini, and we're gonna go visit Aubrey again, and I'm gonna film him doing the seat cover because I don't have a pneumatic or air electric staple gun. So I was gonna do this myself, and then I'm like, well, I might as well go see if Aubrey wants to do it and do a little film. So I haven't even asked him if he wants to do it yet. We'll go see. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Cheers. All right, we're back with Aubrey.
Back again.
Valley Motorsport. What's happening today?
How's that low compression head?
Oh, well, I don't know if you saw any of the onboards that I put out. I put like a little
of
night ride and a little, like, you know, at the end of the video of showing you doing the install.
Yep.
It's, like I said in one video, it feels like I picked up like 25, 30 cc's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even on the low compression, eh?
On the local, like,
Yeah.
the reels, but you know, maybe you didn't pick up that much horsepower. Like, I was actually watching dynos from the IRC guy, who's a trials rider, and he did dynos back to back, and with the low compression, and he said 5% power he picked up, like, you know, bottom and middle. But because it just, everything else just runs and doesn't stall, because it's anti-stall low compression, it feels like there's more power than 5%. So like, even though it's only 5%, it feels like I picked up 10% or, yeah, because it just makes it so much easier. If you just make it up the hill instead of having to drop to second, you know, I just take hills in third, and normally I'd have to drop to second near the top third. Now I just, like, you literally, like, you're practically stalling third and it just romps up. Yeah. And now we're back, and yeah, I got this Enduro engineering seat cover, everybody. I've actually had this seat cover for like 6 months probably, and just never got around to installing it. And then I went to install it 2 days ago, and I realized I tested my staple gun and it would not penetrate. So step one, we gotta, I guess I should have done this at home, but timing wise,
a little bit, but
timing wise, I didn't want to be left with no seat in case I go dirt biking. And so yeah, just tearing up all the staples, and we'll come back when this is done. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, we probably don't need to keep that, the old KTM one. So we were talking off camera, and I was explaining the main reason I wanted the seat cover was for the grip and the traction, guys. So you can see there's these little extra double sewn ribs, and the actual material is like kind of grippy. Not just cleaning it for the video.
No.
That was a good comment in the last one as I was editing. We don't just do this for film.
Nope.
Oh yeah, it fit pretty good.
Yeah, that's good. Work it down.
Yeah. Usually they're actually closed up on the end. Yeah, a different set. Or do you just drill the end node? Oh no, that's okay. Yeah.
Where are you going to start with the first stable? At the top?
Top.
Yeah, and then work your way
Yeah,
through?
one on the top, one on the back, and then pull the sides, and then you just work out all the wrinkles.
Yeah.
If I don't like this, you clean.
Yeah.
easy part.
Yeah. Well, luckily it's actually pretty thick material, so
Yeah,
it doesn't look like it's going to wrinkle too much.
Nope.
Oh yeah.
Good.
You know the steg pegs?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I've been thinking about, oh, you know, it'd be nice to have steg pegs. I'm getting old. You know, it holds you up when you're trying to stand up and go up the hills.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I know you can get caught on them a little bit too. And so I'm hoping the seat, you know, because really you don't get
Hold
much
it a little
traction
bit.
with my knees, you know. So I'm hoping this will be a solution to not wanting the steg pegs.
Pulled off.
What size staples are you using? A 1/4 inch
Yep.
depth?
Yeah, depth. Yeah, you don't want to go too long. It's very thin on the side here, so
Oh.
normally you got to go short, otherwise you'll
A good point. Go through.
sticks right through. Yeah. You get some shitty staples now and again.
You must use like some kind of vacuum like a press. You think that would blades.
I get it nice and tight as well, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't work in silence. No bueno. Go. Maybe if you keep a video over there.
Yeah, start doing
Come on,
some.
Aubrey.
You got to do some custom music. Should just make a whole channel, Aubrey the KTM mechanic.
That's it.
And I haven't installed in the throttle body the idle adjustment
Oh,
screw,
not yet.
and I don't need to. It
Idle's
has
good.
it has a high idle, which I like
Yep.
for like doing trials and not stalling. Like, you know, not too high, but
But it's good.
it's higher than
Yeah.
it was before. It's perfect for me.
It's higher.
Yeah. So as long as I don't change some crazy elevation and it has an issue, I don't see a reason to even install it until I really need to.
Need to, yeah.
Yeah, you know, because it's a pain in the ass, right? Yeah, that was a pleasant surprise. It's like, all right, its idle's
good.
perfect.
Saves you a bit of work.
Mm-hmm. That's right. I'd rather be at the beach,
Yeah.
sipping a latte.
Nice.
You're gonna just like slide it as you go. Oh man, this is gonna be so much better.
Oh yeah. Way better.
It's ribbed.
For your pleasure.
Right. More traction, like a tiger. now for the back half.
Yeah, that's it. Home stretch.
So kind of always put a couple in the middle
Couple,
and then work your
yeah,
way
just
and
work your way. And
just to hold it so you can kind of stretch it easier. Oh yeah, and these are quarter-inch ones.
Yeah, that's the ones we use.
Focus. Yeah, quarter-inch, 6mm. Yeah.
6. Yeah.
All right, now we're at the. What was that? The back.
Last stretch.
So every once in a while you find a problem staple that didn't get both
Yeah,
in
you don't
and
want to
pull it out,
Yeah, you need
do it again.
Need a good staple. Get the odd one, doesn't go in too good. That's it. Nice and tight.
Nice. Sweet. Well, thanks for more quality work from Aubrey at Valley Motorsport, West Kelowna. I am Marcel Irnie, and yeah, another job well done. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Bye. Yeah. Oh yeah, I came back, guys. Trim. You can do a little trimming as well. Probably not necessary on that front.
Not really.
Well, right there, there's the foot pads. That's about it for that. A couple of rubber foot pads.
Yep. Just today's.
Rest nicely. Otherwise, that's about it.
That's it.
And there you have it. On the Moto. On the Acme Moto. I'd like to point out, so this is the grip seat, and see the tabs are like, they catch like this. They fold up. Versus smooth this way and then catch going this way. So you should be able to catch you sliding backwards with your knees, hopefully. And hopefully it'll be strong enough. And that material is getting hot in the sun. I guess that's one thing. It's going to get a little toasty, but yeah, that's going to be grippy, way more grippy than the stock stuff. And you know, when you're at the motorcycle store, better stock up. I picked up another M59 Bridgestone front. Bridgestone M59 right there, 59. My favorite front tire, guys. This tire's been around for like 20 years. I don't think it's changed. It doesn't rip off the knobs side so bad as like the Metis ones. I just lose the side knobs super bad. And this one just feels best overall. And then of course I like the 754. Look at that, 3 rides. They're super, super soft, right? Look at that. So, good stuff, yeah. They don't rip the knobs off the 754. So I use the Metis 754 with the Bridgestone M59 front. There you go. There's that Enduro engineering. Bam. Cool, guys. Catch you in the next video. Have a good one.